So welcome YouTube. We'll be doing another box opening. This will be the third video. I'm really hoping I'll just pull one of these. If I pull the Vegito, Super Saiyan 4 Goku, or Distinct Goku, or Gotenks. That's the only secret rare I want. That's the only one. That's the only one, gang. That's the only one. So my sisters, love them to death. They got me 4 of these boxes, and when they came in the mail, they opened 2 of them, and I opened 1 pack each. So in each video, or this video and the next video is gonna be like 1 less pack to open type shit. With that being said, let's get into the video. So we got Goku. I'm just gonna do what the last one. The first one? Oh my god, we pulled him. Oh, I'm mad that it's kind of dark outside because you can't really see, but we pulled it. Oh my god. Hey, we're gonna do it in the daytime so y'all can really see. I really don't like this lighting type shit. But then we pulled him. Let's go. Damn, so early in the video too. Damn, I was expecting him. Damn, that's kind of lame though. I pulled him in the first of the, that's kind of lame, but it's cool though. Let's see if we can pull something else. But this one, I don't care what we pull. Now we pull some other good shit. That was cool. Already got this. Scissors have pulled that, cause it's like, bro, y'all pulled the card I wanted, bro. Yeah, that conversation could have went differently. It's just a long. I have to make sure if I didn't get it. Majin Buu, grade 8. I think this is Topo. Vegeta, and yep, that's it. I think so. But we get Vegito, Super Saiyan 4 Goku in these next couple videos. I think I'll be a happy man. Evil Boo, a leader, and is that it? Yeah, that's it. I love you know, you just love to see it. You just love to see it. Krillin. This one of the robots? Yeah, this one of the robots. I don't like that. Like, I kind of like that arc, but at the same time, I didn't dare dragging it. But I did like the Willow and Goku, the GT Goku fight. I felt like they were dragging with the other robots, so I'm not gonna lie. Bobby D and Vegeta. Give me the and that's it. Let's see, boom, the tire, Yamcha, Goku, Turles, Baby. art card for Goku and Frieza though. That was kind of like yep. Let's see if we get some good shit. Dang, 2 more homes back to back. Did we pull the Did we pull the Vegito? Oh my god, this is a let's see. Oh my god, are we gonna get all the cards in this video? We already got like 2 out of the 4. And we're getting shit that we never had before. So I hate this diamond. I don't know why I feel like I've never seen that part before. Oh no, the glare was getting off like it was almost did a money spread type shit. Gohan, my name is Dispo. Dr. Wheelo. Let's see. I thought I seen like blue Cheetos. Oh shit. Yeah. What's crazy is I pulled the alternate rare. But or like the next 3 videos is gonna be my last time opening this box, and wherever I open from the last video, I think I'll make a separate video and see what y'all and show y'all what I collected. You know, I get all the email type shit, and I probably ask y'all like, are they worth grading, or like should I not grade these? You know, type shit. I'll look, you want to get them graded first. I want to like show the process of them like getting graded when they come in, you know, what's my predictions of like of this type shit. Let's hope we can pull something good these last 4 packs. I'm not gonna lie. because we did get 2 new cards. We did get 2 new cards. We did get these 2, and I'm pretty sure there's another version of this one, but I'm still mad. I'm not still mad, but I'm glad that we did pull these 2, because this one was on the list. This is one of the chase cards. I'm pretty sure there's another version of this one, but I'm not mad, and I'm not even going to be upset because we did pull something we was looking for. So I called this box opening a W. Now, if we pull the Super Saiyan 4 Goku, another version of this one, which I'm not really too like in a hurry of pulling this one, but we do pull the other version of this one, that would be dope. But the Super Saiyan 4, the other version of this one, and the alt version, the alternate version of Ultra Saiyan Goku. That's the only 3 we're missing. That's the only 3 we're missing and yeah. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all night or day, wherever you're watching this. And like I said, at the end, I'm going to show off what I collected from this pack, or from this from this set. That's one for I'm going to see in plus what I collected from this set, and the cards that I did collect that I think is worth PSA grading. I want y'all to tell me down in the comment section, are they worth sending off and getting them graded? Because if they are, it would be cool to get a 10 or like a 9 or some shit. Because I did just start it, and I really want to get into this, and I do want to bring y'all on the journey of me collecting Dragon Ball Z cards and One Piece cards. I think on my TikTok, which I'm gonna put in the description, I'm gonna place it. Alright, that's where I'm gonna do my PS grading for One Piece on TikTok and Union Arena on TikTok. But for now, we're gonna stick to Dragon Ball Fusion Worlds, and yeah, so I'm really glad that I pulled these. These are really nice cards and such beautiful card art, I'm not gonna lie. But enough of me yapping. I hope y'all have a good day, and leave a like,